गुड मॉर्निंग प्रतिष्ठा। आई होप यू डूइंग गुड। मैं बहुत चंगी हूँ। यू नो द रीज़न वाई। सो दिस मैसेज इज़ ओनली टू थैंक यू, टू अप्रिशिएट the time and the energy that you've given me in sorting my head out with so many things that were happening in my life when I started speaking with you. Work, personal space, family, एंड जब इतनी सारी चीज़ें एक इंसान के साथ होती हैं और हर किसी के साथ होती हैं, आई थिंक यू कम टू अ पॉइंट इन लाइफ वेयर a lot of these things start to come at once, and even if the solutions are minor, सब कुछ आपके आसपास ही है लेकिन आप ढूंढ नहीं पाते हो. I think that is a time when you should talk to someone you know for sure that आपको वहाँ से help मिलेगी. In my case, I'm very glad that I decided to speak with you. Um, it just everything just happened as a blessing. But everything started to work out for me when I was honest about what was happening. When I expressed myself to you, you didn't magically tell me that things are going to work out, and you did not give me all these promises that usually when you talk to your friends and somebody at a shallow level know that you're going through something, और मुश्किल से आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हो, बट आपको वो शैलो रिसीव ही मिलता है. यू हियर थिंग्स लाइक कि हाँ ठीक है, स्ट्रेस तो सबको होता है, काम में सबको प्रॉब्लम होती है, फैमिली में सबके भसड़ रहती है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. जितना ज़्यादा अच्छा वो लगता है सुन कर के सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, आप घर आके फिर से सोचते हो कि कैसे, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हेन you need to go and talk to somebody. In my case, it is you, and I'm so glad that happened. जो खुद अपने वर्जन में बड़ा सॉर्टेड है, क्योंकि जब तक आप वो नहीं हो आप किसी को डायरेक्शन नहीं दिखा सकते. So this is purely a message of appreciation to you and everybody who is looking out for help and not looking out for a magical solution, but you're looking out for real solutions. And once you've been given that direction, you're actually ready to apply that in your life, because all the suggestions that I receive from you, I have been every day applying that to my daily life, and somehow my mind is figuring it out. And that is what I'll call magic. You do not find that when you are magically looking out for a quick solution. The magic only happens when you are ready to work on yourself. So you made me accept, you made me surrender, you made me feel so many of these things that I wasn't reaching on my own. एंड मैं वैसी बंदी हूँ ना, और मेरे जैसे बहुत होंगे दैट आपको लगता है आप खुद अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लोगे क्योंकि आप दूसरों की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर पाते हो. तो मेरी खुद की प्रॉब्लम मैं खुद क्यों नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रही हूँ? बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. आई थिंक द काइंड ऑफ लाइफ दैट वी आर लिविंग, यू नो, इकोनॉमिकली बोलो या फिर कंपटीशन बोलो या जनरेशनल गैप जो चल रहा है, anything, it is okay to firstly ask for help, but it is very important who you're going to, because like I said earlier, it is not easy for everybody to open up. मेरे इमोशंस मेरे लिए बहुत सीक्रेट हैं, तो मैं हर किसी के सामने नहीं बोल पाती, या मेरी आदत ही नहीं थी कभी कि मैं हेल्प मांगूँ. But there's nothing wrong in it, but to go to the right person. And in my case, the universe just sent you to me exactly when I needed you. So this is just a heartfelt thank you to you. for all the help that you've given me, and all the energies that you dedicated towards making me think right and uh, make my mind reach to that point where I'm figuring it out on my own. So you are amazing. That's what I want to tell you. After so many words, that's the end conclusion. That I'm very grateful, and that's it. Keep doing what you're doing because you're doing such good work. You are so clear with your thoughts. You do not show anybody, you know, एक solution आप वैसे नहीं देते हो which is magical and बस हो जाएगा and at a shallow level. You are very honest about things and most people are not. So thank you for being who you are and thank you for coming in my life.